This video is brought to you by SmallRig. If you're building out your video setup and want lighting that punches above its price, a compact spotlight that feels like magic, and a battery that can handle the elements, this trio from SmallRig might be exactly what you've been looking for. Today we're talking about 3 standout tools from SmallRig: the RC100C Cobb LED Light Pro, the SP Mini Spotlight Modifier, and the X-Touch Smart V-Mount Battery. I've been using these for a few weeks now, and I'll walk you through who these are for, how they perform, and why they might be the perfect fit for your kit. So first up, the RC100C Pro Cobb Light. This light is for solo creators, indie filmmakers, and content producers who want pro-level punch without the bulk or price of a full studio rig. It's compact but powerful, 100 watts of Cobb output, but with pro build and cooling, and bi-color temperature. It's adjustable from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin for flexible mood control. High CRI and TLCI, it's great for accurate skin tones and product shots. And it has a quiet fan, it's almost silent, so it's usable in talking head setups. Has a Bowens mount, works with tons of light modifiers, including the SP Mini, which I'll show you next. Okay, so here's our setup. We've got the RC100C, we've also got the X99 battery on the back, and then I've got this RAD30 Mini light diffuser. And that's how it lights me up at 30%. And what I'm gonna do here is, let's see, on the bottom there is this 1/4-20. So I'm gonna attach this clamp onto the bottom, and then I'm gonna hang this light up. Okay, I've got the light mounted right above me, and that size of light, I only have it at 30%. So the RC100C is giving me just enough light. It's still so bright at 30%, but see how portable it is? It's so small, but it's so powerful. It doesn't run off battery natively, but that's where the X-Touch battery comes in. And it's nice because if you run out of battery, instead of it being built in, because if you're running out of battery, you just pop another battery in there. Okay, now let's talk about the SP Mini Spotlight Modifier. I believe that this is for creators who want cinematic control. Whether you shoot interviews, music videos, or product work, this tool changes how you shape light. It has this crisp beam control. Turns any Bowens mount light into a mini theatrical spotlight. Has built-in shutters, so you can shape the beam precisely, slice it, cut it, isolate subjects. And my favorite is that it has gobo support. So throw patterns and textures on walls for extra creativity. It's built like a tank, all metal, compact, and surprisingly lightweight for a spotlight. It's perfect for punchy accent lights, but works great in tight spaces where you need that precision. Okay, now I'm gonna take off my diffuser. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna add on our mini spotlight. And now you see I can have it as a spotlight behind me, but I want this texture on there. So I'm gonna set this over here. Then I'm going to focus so that I can see the textures. You can see it coming into focus more. Right there. And now I have that as a great light right behind me. So with all the different gobos that you can put into there, you get tons of different shapes and patterns that you can put into your background. So pairing it with the RC100C is a great combo, and it's a great combo that gives you soft and hard light options in one ultra portable kit for YouTubers, interviewers, or stylized commercial work. Now let's talk about the X-Touch Smart V-Mount Battery, the X99. This one's for outdoor shooters, run and gun filmmakers, and anyone working in unpredictable weather, or just tired of weak battery life. And it's also triple proof. It's dust proof, water resistant, and drop resistant. So you can take it into the wild. It has a smart display. It shows you your battery level, usage time, watt output, and it's super clear in broad daylight. It has USB-C power delivery. It charges cameras, laptops, or even the RC100C via a V-mount adapter. And it's under the flight limit, but plenty of juice for the day shoots. It's durable. I've dropped it, I've shot with it in the rain, I've thrown it in a backpack with zero protection, and it still runs like new. So here's a cool pairing tip. With the V-mount plate and a D-tap adapter, this can power the RC100C on location, making your setup 100% mobile. Okay, I've got my X99 battery, and it's a really cool battery. It's not just your average V-mount battery because I've also dropped it. I've shot in the rain with it, and I just throw it in a backpack with zero protection and it runs just like new. So here's our light. I throw on the X99 battery and it just, look how compact that is. I'll switch on my light, rotate to turn on, about 32%, and that's pretty bright. You use it as a top light, as a backlight. You could use it as a light for product shots, but it's pretty cool. So this trinity of lighting products, who's it for? Together, these three tools hit the sweet spot for indie creators. Solid lighting, precision control, and mobile power without needing a whole crew. And I also believe that this is for beginner filmmakers upgrading from soft panels and YouTubers who want to elevate their lighting without complicating things. It's also for freelancers needing a reliable on-location lighting rig and anyone who values rugged gear that won't fail in the field. So here's my final thoughts. You can get fancy with big lights and modifiers, but SmallRig nailed the balance of performance, build, and creator-focused design. So if you want pro results in a simple setup, this trio is hard to beat. I want to say thank you again to SmallRig for sending me out these products to review. If you want to learn more about them, I'll have links in the description below. They are affiliate links, so if you purchase through them, I will get a little kickback, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. If you found this video helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more camera and tech reviews and creative tools. So once again, thank you to SmallRig again for supporting the channel once more, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.